Peace. This is Absolute from the Absolute Boss Collective, coming back with a brand new update. Before we get into that, I'm going to hit you off with a little bit of rhythm. It goes like this. On my trail, know who be keeping it crunk, leaves and shell toes like it's Black History Month. What? He said, got your whole system up in my trunk. That dog eat dog make my woofers bark. Atomic crunk. On my trail, know who be keeping it Oh, no, that's not what he said. He said, on my trail, know who be bringing the funk. Leaves and shell toes like it's Black History Month. All right, in honor of Black History Month, so-called Black History Month, we know Black history is every single day. So all my people out there, do the best to leave an impact and make history, okay? Black history is not only for Black people. Everybody plays a part in Black history, no matter what the color of your skin is. So do your part, okay? So in honor of that, we want to recognize one of my greatest inspirations, the father of the 5% nation, Allah. So we're going to have a moment of silence for Allah, because he brought the knowledge that gave me the ability to step to the stock market and take control. Master that. I haven't finished mastering it. I'm working on it. It's a daily operation, like Gangstar would say. It's a daily operation, and I'm doing what I do to master it. So let's have a moment of silence for the Father. And we're back. I also want to recognize my brother, one of my fallen soldiers. I knew this man for about 25 years. We talking junior high school is when I hooked up with son. Unfortunately, he was slain, okay? So I just want to recognize that brother, okay? And how it has a personal effect on me is my fallen soldier, Stephen Easton, has the same born day or birthday as the father of the nation of gods and earths, or the 5%, okay, however you want to call it, all right? So we're going to have a moment of silence for him. Let's do that. Okay, now we're going to get into Absolute. Here at the Absolute Boss Collective, what did we do? How did the month turn out? Okay, what were the stats? What were the figures? We know we just had a market rout 2 days ago. Okay, how did that affect me? Did that stop the kid? Did that stop me from doing what I do? You know what I'm saying? That's what we want to find out in this video. Okay, now before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm doing updates and things of that nature. The reason why I come at you with the updates and the figures, I'm not trying to floss, I'm not trying to show off or none of that. I just want to show everybody out there that you can do what I do, okay? It's a process. It takes time to get to this level. And me starting this YouTube channel and all of that was for the idea of creating a living journal of my performance that you can refer to, that we can reach out and come together and work together as a team. Okay, so this is how we're creating Black history in the moment. Because like I said at the start of the video, Black history is not just about 1 month. It is every single day. And we all have to do our part. okay, to be what we want to be. The brother I was quoting in the beginning when I was saying those lyrics, those wasn't my lyrics, so I'm not going to take credit for that. That's from Saul Williams, and the name of the song is Black History Month off the Niggy Tardust album, one of my favorite albums. So if you don't got it, go pick it up, you know what I'm saying, stream it, whatever, check it out. It's a very talented brother, and these are the type of things that inspire me, okay? However, everybody can't be a Saul Williams. Everybody can't, become a star making music or being in movies or a basketball player or architect or whatever. You have to find what your calling is, okay? And when you find your calling, okay, then you make history when you do it. And that's why we documented it here. Speaking of that, I got some quotes for you. If I can find them, where are they? Okay. In light of what I've just been saying, this quote goes, everybody got a dream. What's the plan? Okay. And here at the Absolute Boss Collective, that's what we all about, showing you the plan. Okay, if you want to get down with day trading, if you want to become a day trader, if you want to become a swing trader, if you want to become an investor, if you want to improve your existing portfolio, if you want an extra stream of income, that's what we're all about here. So yeah, you got your dream, whatever it may be, get a house, retire early, whatever. What is your plan? That quote comes from Chris Gardner. Chris Gardner is the character that Will Smith played in the movie Pursuit of Happiness. You can actually catch a glimpse of the real Chris Gardner in the ending of the movie. In the ending of the movie, when Will is walking with his son, right? And he says to him, they're doing jokes and stuff, and he says to him, "Who's the king of the jungle?" At that scene right there, you see the real Chris Gardner walk by, and Will Smith looks back at him. That's the real dude, okay? This man's story is amazing. The movie The Pursuit of Happiness is amazing. I'm not going to go into The Pursuit of Happiness right now, right here. Y'all going to have to catch a Mass Trader video, and he'll get into that. So tune into the Mass Trader videos. That's why you need to hit that notification bell. So when you see those Mass Trader videos drop, he might cover The Pursuit of Happiness in one of those videos. So be on the lookout for that. Another quote from Chris Gardner, baby steps count too. As long as you're moving forward, okay? Here at the Absolute Boss Collective, we're all about moving forward. This is why you should consider scheduling yourself a consultation. Because with the consultation, I can show you how my style of trading, my sniper style of trading, could help you realize your dream, okay? I got the plan, okay? I'm going to show you how to put it into activation for yourself. Everybody's situation is different, okay? And that's what we about here at the Absolute Boss Collective. We're about coming together, and we're about heading in the same direction, which is financial freedom, okay? So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, okay? If you have questions about anything that I'm dropping here, the wisdom that I'm sharing with you, that I'm equalizing with you, okay? If you have any questions about that, leave a comment below, okay? And we'll start from there, okay? Start where you are to get where you want to go. And without further ado, we're going to get right into it. What's going on, son? Okay, so if we rewind, in December, I made $2,283 in December 2020. In January, we made $3,141.97 in January. So what did we make in February? Black History Month. Speaking of Black History, check out my drum. I got this many years ago. I don't know if you could see it. You see it says RIP Dr. Betty Shabazz. If you remember when she returned, it says peace and love. You can probably only see John Forte. I went to go see the Fugees at HMV on 34th Street when Wyclef dropped the Carnival album. And you had to wait online and you could get an autograph. So I had all of them autograph it. They was really saying that there was one autograph per person. And what I did when I got up there, you know, it was Lauryn Hill. All of them was there. I was in love with Lauryn Hill at the time. I'm still in love with Lauryn Hill. Anyway, I asked them to, you know, autograph it. And I wanted them to put rest in peace to Betty Shabazz because I was moved by losing her as well. And they was just so moved by me asking that. They was like, what? We got you. And they all signed it. Now, obviously, the names have run off. But, you know, I brought this out, okay, so we could... I can't do that. That thing that they... that boom sound. I'm trying to do it. You know what I'm saying? My skills ain't all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of a sample type of dude. You know what I'm saying? Let the drummer drum and then we just sample it in the studio and spit them bars over it. Okay. Enough talk. For February 2021, I came home with $3,027.06. We are just a hair below what I made in January. And I'm going to tell you why in a bit. That $3,027.06 averages out to $756.76 a week, or $159.31 a day. Or we can go further. 30. Now, first, let me just add that the $159.31 a day. There were only 19 trading days in the month. We had a banking holiday. So on banking holidays, there is no trading in the stock market. Okay, so that 159.31, that breaks down to about $39.82 per hour for a 20-hour work week. I average that I work probably about 4 hours a day, dealing with, pre-market, scanning and digesting and actual trading and stuff like that. It's about 4 hours a day, I would say, probably less, but we're gonna go with 4 hours. So that would be $39.82 an hour. If you wanted to say a 40-hour work week, then it would probably be like 20, just under $20 an hour. Okay. That return percent was 5.43%. On the money, the capital used. Okay, now tell me, for real, let's keep it 100. Where are you going to get 5%, almost 5.5% a month? Where can you get that? If you know a legal place where you can get 5.43% on your money every month or in a month, leave it in the comments below. Where is it? Okay. Let's see. I placed 114 trades. 107 of which were winners. So 7 times I lost. I had 7 losers. Okay. And that is still a 93.85% win rate. Damn. That's good. That's excellent. Okay. My worst, my best trading day was the 25th. And that was the market. Oh, man, the market tanked really, really, really bad. And that was on the 25th, okay, yesterday. That was my best day. I made $610.64, okay? I could have probably banked more. I had more paper profits, which means just profits in my account that it did not take, because I wanted to see what would happen today, Friday, when the market opened. I was kind of hoping for a limit down day. Okay, if you want to know what a limit down day is, if you want me to do a video on a limit down day, leave it in the comments below and I'll do that. My worst day was the 11th, where I lost $656.71. And that, in my other video, there's another video I did. It's my video where I talk about, I think it's the Year of the Ox video. And I took a loss on a QQQ put. So that was the day that I took that loss. And since I took that loss that day, which that loss was for $782.03, that was my worst trade of the month. So because of that, that's why I took that $656 loss, my worst day. Okay, my best trade was $330 on 25 shares of Mara, M-A-R-A. Okay, and if you want to learn how you can trade things like that, 25 shares, and I made $330 off of that. If you want to learn how to do that, leave it in the comments below. Schedule yourself a consultation, man, so that we can find out where you at and I can show you how you can get to where I am. Okay? Let's see what else I got for y'all. My losses is my losses. I'm not really happy about that. I could have managed those a little bit better. It is what it is. Losses is losses. That's all I got to say. A loss is a loss. You got to take it. You know what I mean? One of the other things that I wanted to discuss, and this is based on someone who reached out to me for a consultation. Another sister reached out for a consultation, and we possibly may do some business together. One of the things, she wanted to take $500 and double that $500 in 3 to 6 months. That's her idea. So out of these 114 trades, 59 of them cost me less than $500 to place. Okay. Out of those trades, right, I had return percentages that ranged from 1.58% all the way up to 83.83%, okay, on $500, okay? So the point of what I'm saying is, it is possible to double your money if you wanted to double your money in 3 months, double $500 in 3 months, you would have to make $9 a day, which is 1.8% per day, which is totally possible. I've just shown you the numbers.